Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Weston Blakesley and I'm the founder and owner of Omatics Health. I started Omatics Health because our current healthcare ecosystem is inconvenient, expensive, and not transparent. Have any of you waited weeks for your primary care appointment? I have too. And typically when I need to go see my primary care provider, I have about 5 to 6 things wrong with me. Once I finally get that appointment with my primary care provider, we only have enough time to talk about 1 to 2 of those things in maybe 8 to 15 minutes of an appointment. This whole process is frustrating, time-consuming, and very expensive, especially to you, the consumer. On top of the copay that I will already be paying for that initial doctor's visit, every laboratory test that comes as a result of that visit will be decided by my doctor solely without any input from me. And one thing that my doctor and I would have in common in this certain situation is that neither of us would have any idea how much those laboratory tests were going to cost me several weeks down the road. But lab tests are very important because the vast majority of healthcare decisions occur after a lab test result has been returned. Now there are 2 very common types of doctors in this scenario, one of which is the overly cautious doctor that'll order everything under the sun to make sure that they don't miss anything about your health. This is a good thing when you need lab results back because this way, that doctor will not miss anything that's very important about your health. The problem is you're stuck with the bill at the end, and the majority of those tests will be unnecessary. The other type of doctor is the arrogant doctor that thinks they know everything there is to know about you and will undertest you in these certain scenarios. Both scenarios can't happen anymore. We need to take control of our own health, and there has to be a middle ground somewhere. We used to rely on doctors to know absolutely everything there is to know about our own health and be loosey-goosey when we would go into the doctor's office, not knowing when our last lab results were, when our last vaccinations were, what medications we were taking, and so on and so forth. That's really difficult to do these days for a lot of technological issues and workflow issues for providers. Our healthcare system is incredibly complicated with rules and prices changing all the time. And it turns out that your best health advocate in this complex ecosystem is you. We at Omatics Health are here to help you take control of your own life with your own healthcare decisions and live your life on your time, not your clinician's time. We can help you with many things that pertain to you getting actionable, cost-effective health information. You can use the resources on our website free of charge and learn about specific lab tests and what their strengths and limitations are, as well as how much they're going to cost you. This includes laboratory testing for things like COVID-19, general health and wellness, and genetic testing. You can shop for cost-effective health information products directly on our website or on our Amazon page, all products of which have been thoroughly vetted by our precision health experts. We make sure to provide you validated products so you don't waste time or money. If you wish to speak with one of our precision health experts, you can schedule a consultation with them and they can help you with a great many things. And in-depth personal education about laboratory testing. Maybe you have specific questions about what your lab results mean or what specific test you should order in the first place. We can help you find the most cost-effective laboratory tests for you and your budget. There's a wide range of direct-to-consumer laboratory tests on the market today. Some are inexpensive and qualitative, whereas others are expensive but very accurate. And we can also help you with how to get the most value out of our very complicated healthcare system, like exploring whether a health savings account or a flex spending account is actually worth it for you and your budget, or even how to shop around for a good doctor and a good health plan. At Omatics Health, trust is our most important value. Unfortunately, our world today is full of fake news and false remedies. We will never steer our customers towards false information or information that we don't trust ourselves. Our goal is to help you find the most cost-effective health information so you can be the best health advocate for yourself. We want you to keep in mind that all the information that we give you is for general information purposes only. At no time will the information that we give you replace professional medical advice, and no doctor-patient relationship will be formed during our services. And it's up to you to use the information that we give you at your own risk. If you're sick, never hesitate to contact your primary care doctor or visit your nearest urgent care or emergency room. We look forward to helping you become a smarter healthcare consumer and being the best health advocate for yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.